Hello everyone, welcome to the Savvy Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. First, open your Snapchat application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here, under My Stories section, tap on the story that you want to view the details. Right now, it is impossible to know who screenshotted your story as Snapchat does not have that feature. Snapchat prioritizes user privacy and it doesn't provide a mechanism to detect or alert users when their story is screenshotted. The platform used to offer a notification for screenshotting individual snaps, but that feature was removed in earlier versions of Snapchat. It is important to understand that even though Snapchat may not notify you, it is always best to respect the privacy and terms of service of the platform. So that's it. As of now, you cannot know who screenshotted your Snapchat story. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.